Welcome! I'm Kristen with Into the Light Healing and Bodywork. Today's Foundations of Medical Grade Yoga Practices, Pyramid Pose. So the idea for this posture is working with improving digestion and circulation as well as balance. We're going to strengthen the hips, core, and neck while stretching the muscles of the lower extremities, the abs, the chest, and shoulders. So mentally, this position helps to relieve stress and mild anxiety, as well as building focus and willpower, and it stimulates the mind. So we want to avoid this posture if we are experiencing insomnia, a migraine, or low blood pressure. So we're going to start with our feet about 3 feet apart, and we're going to keep the toes of the front foot pointing straight front towards the yoga mat, and the toes of the back foot are going to be in about 45 degrees. The knees should be pointing in the same direction as the toes. We're going to pull the forward leg sit bone back towards the opposite inner thigh. So for this video, we're just going to do the right foot forward. So the right sit bone is going to pull back towards the left inner thigh. That will square the pelvis up to the front edge of the yoga mat. And if you have some issues getting your pelvis to do that, you can either stop where it's comfortable, or you can adjust your heel a little bit so that it's better, easier for you to do that. Okay, so from here, we're going to lift a nice long spine here. Think about pressing the ball of the big toe down into the ground as that right hip bone is going back and up. So we're creating length all the way through the leg as we are in this one little cue here. Nice long spine, retract the head, hands clasped behind the back. Then we're going to tilt forward from the hips, keeping a nice long spine, and bring the torso parallel with the ground. From here, we can stay, or we can make it harder by relaxing the spine and allowing the rounding to happen. Head tractions and goes towards the right shin. We would also lift the hands up and bring them towards the ceiling. Pull the shoulder blades together behind your back. Come back up to the parallel with the ground posture, and to make this the hardest, we'll drop the left hand toward the outside of the right foot. You can use a block here if you need a little extra length. And then we're going to press that hand down towards the ground and help rotate the spine, always thinking about lengthening the spine. We're going to turn towards the right side of the yoga mat. Keep the knees a little bit bent here, just not locked out. And then as we rotate up to the top, we're going to bring the right hand up towards the ceiling. Tuck the chin towards the throat and kiss your shoulder. This is the revolved pyramid posture, or intense side stretch with rotation. All right, that's that for today's foundation. I'll see you next time.